looking at the 2019 numbers. A quick glimpse into what we saw of the BJP sweeping all 7 Lok Sabha seats in the national capital, with the Aam Aadmi Party getting nothing, as the Congress also no seat in 2019. Even in 2014, the BJP had swept. So will the BJP be able to retain all 7 seats in the national capital, Delhi? Of course, this is important for both the BJP as well as the Aam Aadmi Party to gain some control here. With the BJP at this point fighting a big battle in the face of an India alliance, with the AAP and the Congress coming together, it seems like a strong fight for the BJP this time. But interesting to see what the results would be. On the 4th of June is when we'd really know. India Today with the most accurate updates. If I could take you through visuals now, coming in specifically from Delhi, right from the start, we saw President Draupadi Murmu, we saw the Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, we saw External Affairs Minister X. Jaishankar, we saw a host of leaders who came out to cast their vote a little early today. So it's interesting to see that the voter turnout, as much as we hope for it to increase, at this point still remains at 21% as of 11 a.m. We're waiting for the voter turnout for 1 p.m. numbers that we get. All right, we seem to have got 1 p.m. numbers, and that's the big news that I'm taking you right now. Big update on voter turnout, 54% voting that's reported in West Bengal. I'm going to start with West Bengal, which has always shown great numbers on polling day. And then let me take you through Delhi. Just over 34% voting turnout in Delhi as of 1 p.m. Delhi West sees voter turnout of 34% up until 1 p.m. and Delhi Northeast witnesses 37% voter turnout. We've said that right from the start that people in Delhi seem to be fairly lazy to come out and cast their vote. Either they're not in town or they're just lazy. Whatever be, no reason really cuts it here, considering this is one of the most important days where you get to pool in to help shape the nation in the direction that you want it to go. So at this point, Delhi's voter turnout is barely 34% where I'm at. West Bengal always gets a thumbs up. Despite all that violence that we see on the streets of West Bengal, which is unfortunate, but still voter turnout is always high at 54% that's currently reported in West Bengal as of 1 p.m. Delhi West sees voting of 34% and Northeast witnesses 37%.